Budget like the wealthy. Simple habits to save more and spend smart. Most people think budgeting is about cutting back and living with less. But the wealthy see it differently. To them, budgeting is about control. Control over your money, your future, and your freedom. So what do wealthy people do differently when it comes to budgeting? Let's break down the simple habits they follow and how you can apply them too. First, they know their numbers. Wealthy people always have a clear picture of their income, expenses, and investments. They don't guess. They track every dollar. You can use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even a notebook. Just make it consistent. Second, they pay themselves first. Before spending on anything else, they automatically set aside money for saving and investing. Even if it's just 10% of their income, it adds up fast and grows over time. Third, they spend intentionally. Wealthy people don't waste money on random purchases. They focus on value, not just price. They ask themselves, do I really need this? Will it move me closer to my goals? Fourth, they use the 50-30-20 rule. That's 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for saving and paying off debt. It's a simple guideline that creates structure and freedom in your spending. Fifth, they avoid lifestyle creep. Just because they earn more doesn't mean they spend more. Instead of upgrading every time they get a raise, they invest the difference. That's how they build wealth, quietly and consistently. Sixth, they have an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses saved in cash. This fund protects them from unexpected problems without going into debt or panic. And finally, they review their budget every month. They check what they spent, where they saved, and what needs to change. Because small adjustments make a big difference over time. Here's the truth. You don't need to be rich to budget like the wealthy. But if you start now and stay consistent, you'll build the habits that create real wealth. Thanks for listening. If you found this helpful, follow for more financial tips to help you build a smarter future.